스티븐,
네.
진짜 재밌는 영화가 개봉했어요.
그래요?
우리 이번 주말에 보러 갈까요?
좋아요. 몇 시에만 할까요?
한 3시 어때요? 3시.
사실 괜찮아요. 어디에서 만날까요?
한국 극장 앞에서 만나요.
좋아요. 그때 봐요.
Bye. Hi, welcome back to another episode of 한국남매. Yay, us again.
Yeah, where you get to learn how to speak Korean and hear us talk about the Korean culture and customs.
So, Stephen, today
Yeah.
we're going to talk about making plans.
Making plans.
In Korea,
Yeah.
약속잡기.
약속잡기. Making plans to see a movie today, and that's what we're going to be discussing movies.
Disgusting.
We're going to be discussing, talking about movies today. What is movie in Korean?
Movie in Korea is 영화.
영화.
And
영화.
the theater,
Oh,
theater is 영화관.
영화. 관 is like a place.
Yes,
So movie place.
exactly.
What's your favorite movie?
Well, my favorite movie in my whole life, like
Sure. Yeah. Yeah.
La La Land.
La La Land.
I love Ryan Gosling.
Yeah, I like Ryan Gosling too. I really like Guardians of the Galaxy.
Oh my god, I love that movie too.
Right?
I love that.
What was surprising to me is the first time I saw a movie here in Korea, the smell. I was confused. It was dark theater. I thought I was going in to see a movie,
Okay.
and I could smell definite smells of a fish market.
Fish market.
It smells like a fish market.
Oh my god, you might be smell squid or jipo. I don't know how can I say it in English, but
It's like dried fish.
Yeah.
And it's like kind of got a rubbery texture.
right.
And they kind of like stick it together,
Right.
make a pancake out of it,
Right.
and you've got like a dried fish pancake.
No.
Goodness.
Sounds weird, right? 스티븐, 진짜 재밌는 영화가 개봉했어요. 우리 이번 주말에 보러 갈까요?
좋아요. 몇 시에 만날까요?
3시 어때요?
괜찮아요. 어디에서 만날까요?
한국 극장 앞에서 만나요.
좋아요. 그때 봐요.
스티븐, 진짜 재밌는 영화가 개봉했어요. 우리 이번 주말에 보러 갈까요?
좋아요. 몇 시에 만날까요?
3시 어때요?
괜찮아요. 어디에서 만날까요?
한국 극장 앞에서 만나요.
좋아요. 그때 봐요.
스티븐, 진짜 재밌는 영화가 개봉했어요. Really fun movie has been released. 주말에 저랑 영화 볼래요? That means, would you like to go theater with me this weekend?
She's asking me out on a date.
Not really. 좋아요.
The 좋아요. I like it.
Yeah,
좋아요.
That's your favorite part.
Yeah.
좋아요. 몇 시에 만날까요?
몇 시에 만날까요?
What time should we meet? 3시 어때요? How about 3?
How about 3? 3시 어때요? So 어때요? So it's like asking like for
Yeah.
confirmation. Is that
Right.
So is it good? Is it okay? 어때요? Is it all right? 어때요?
어때요? 괜찮아요.
괜찮아요.
Okay.
It's like a long okay. Okay. 괜찮아요.
괜찮아요.
Okay.
어디에서 만날까요?
어디에서 만날까요?
어디? Where?
Where? That's right. 어디에서? Where should we meet?
Where
만날까요?
should we meet? 극장, 영화관 is theater.
아,
The same
okay.
word. 극장 앞에서 만나요.
극장 앞에서 만나요.
만나요. And then you can say again. 좋아요.
좋아요. I like it. 좋아요.
그때 봐요.
그때 봐요. 그때.
See you then.
See you then. 그때. Okay.
Okay.
Great.
Great.
좋아요.
스티븐, 진짜 재밌는 영화가 개봉했어요. 우리 이번 주말에 보러 갈까요?
좋아요. 몇 시에 만날까요?
3시 어때요?
괜찮아요. 어디에서 만날까요?
한국 극장 앞에서 만나요.
좋아요. 그때 봐요.
The key sentence is something 레요. Like it could be 할래요, 갈래요.
And what is 하 and what is 가?
가 means go.
Go.
하 means do.
Do. The Korean sentence is like compared to English, it's
Right.
like kind of like
Right.
backwards, right? Like it's a little back to front. So
Exactly.
let's say, should we play a game? How would you say that in Korean?
게임 할래요?
할래요. Should we go for coffee?
커피 마시러 갈래요?
Good to know. Okay. And how would I say like yes? 네? Do I say 네?
Yeah, that's okay, but you could say 좋아요.
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 Actually, I love that word. That's a cute
Really?
Korean word. Yeah, it
sounds cute? Really?
좋아요. It actually literally means like I like.
I can like.
And you can use 좋아요 in like different circumstances. I like this pen. 이 pen 너무 좋아요. 좋아요, right?
Yeah.
But also like in answer to like your suggestion, would you like to do this? I like it. That sounds good. 좋아요.
좋아요?
Yeah, 좋아요.
Yeah.
I like that word. 좋아요.
Okay, that's it for today. We hope it wasn't too hard to you.
Yeah. Well, practice makes perfect. Keep up the hard work.
Okay,
And?
promise to you, 한국.
남매.
Bye-bye.
See you next time.